International help is being pledged for India as it battles a ferocious second wave of coronavirus, described by Prime Minister Narendra Modi as a storm that has shaken the nation. Almost 350,000 new infections were recorded in India in the latest 24-hour period, and 2,767 people have died, but experts say the actual numbers are likely to be much higher.
What's up guys, I'm back with another video. So in this video I'm going to be showing you guys my motovlog setup. Again, this is a highly requested video from you guys, and yeah, I decided to make it because we are all in quarantine right now. So yeah, so let's get on to the video. Alright, so the first thing that I'm going to talk about is my camera. So I'm using the GoPro Hero 7 Black, and I've been using it for over a year right now, and it's been really good. I haven't had any major issues apart from the usual GoPro bugs where it just turns off out of nowhere, and that's a bit of a bummer because you never know when it's going to switch off. You might miss a beautiful location while you're traveling, so you just need to have a look on the GoPro every now and then to check if it's still on. And my recording settings are 2.7K, 60 FPS, ISO minimum is 100, ISO maximum is 400, and there you go, that's my recording settings. And coming on to the next one, this is the GoPro audio adapter, and if you ever plan on doing motovlogs, this is really necessary because this is the only way to connect a mic to GoPro. So this actually cost me about 4,500 Indian rupees, which is really costly for an adapter. Just an adapter, audio adapter, are you kidding me, GoPro? GoPro is really making banks out there. So I've actually used Velcro to stick it onto my helmet, and I feel this is the most efficient way to do it because you could just take it off in just a second. So yeah, I liked it. So if you're wondering what this blue thing is, it's actually called as blue tack, and it basically acts as a adhesive, so water doesn't go into this audio adapter. So it's basically like a waterproof treatment that I've done. So you guys can see that I'm all prepared for monsoon, but then yeah, quarantine, so enjoy. So this is the mic that I use. I'm only showing the pouch right now because I'm least bothered to take the mic out of my helmet. It was a pain in the ass when I put it in there for the first time. So the mic is placed right in front of my mouth, and I don't use any additional dead cat or anything like that. About my helmet, I'm using the MT Thunder 3 SV. Again, I've been using this for about a year. Yeah, it's been a good experience with the helmet, but then the only issue is wind noise, and it's too irritating while you're on the highways, but that can be easily fixed by using a pair of earplugs. Hello. And this is how my GoPro mic sounds like, and in case if you guys don't know about that, or if you guys haven't watched any of my other videos, yeah, so this is how it sounds, and I've been using this setup for over a year right now, and yeah, I like it, and it's good. It's good to be in front of the camera for the first time like this, and we are supposed to stay inside and pray for others to get well. Yeah, so I guess that's it for the video. I hope you guys liked it. Thank you for watching. You guys know the drill. Like the video, share the video, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys later. Bye bye.